60 seconds improve your life every day.
Let's start.
Discover tinctures with capsaicin from chili peppers, habanero, garlic, propolis, Capuchin Balsam. The tincture of chili peppers is best made from the hottest habanero peppers. However, chili peppers are enough to obtain the right amount of capsaicin. Here is Mr. Ryszard's recipe. Finely chop 2 kilos of hot chili peppers with gloves. Together with the seeds and their nests, pour 2 liters of grapeseed oil. This can be divided into 4 large jars of half a kilo and half a liter of oil. Keep in the refrigerator. Drain after 9 days. Stir a few times every day during these 9 days. Avoid contact with metal utensils. Drink 5 times a day before meals, 1 teaspoon with milk. You can bite off a slice with butter to soften the spiciness. Drink for 3 months. You can make it with dry chili, but I don't know the proportions. Then you can grind it in a grinder, for example, for coffee. Tombac garlic tincture, the elixir of youth. 35 decagrams of peeled garlic from new harvests, not Chinese, best from your own harvest. Crush and mix with 200 milliliters of pure spirit. Close tightly and leave in a dark and cool place, but not in the refrigerator, for 10 days. Then strain the mass, pour into a jar, and leave in a dark place for another 4 days. Ready to consume. Take with meals. Then take 25 drops 3 times a day until the tincture is finished, always with 50 milliliters of a sour milk product, preferably kefir or yogurt. Propolis tincture, among others. For respiratory tract diseases, you can also buy a ready-made product. Pour half a liter of 70% alcohol over 50 grams of crushed propolis and leave at room temperature, protected from light for 7 to 14 days, stirring occasionally. After this time, pour the clear solution into a tight container made of orange glass. Use 25 drops on a teaspoon of sugar or honey 3 times a day. Recommended for upper respiratory tract diseases, digestive tract inflammations, periodontal disease. Capuchin balm is a natural preparation, prepared from herbs and resins, strengthening the body and regulating the functioning of the digestive system. It is intended for adults. Only available for purchase. The composition of the balm is not fully known. The balm supposedly combats most ailments. I used it myself for some time, but its taste is the worst of the above-mentioned preparations. Warning: contact your doctor before use. 60 seconds improve your life every day. Like, subscribe. We see each other every day. Namaste.